All right, guys, I'd like to be able to show you guys how you can use your eEdge system to create a custom 33 touch piece. Maybe you want to send out a special flyer or a special note to your clients about an upcoming event. This is how you're going to be able to do that. Now, we're going to click on the My Marketing button, and then we're going to click Create Marketing Materials. And what's interesting about the standard eEdge package, if you're not a pro upgrade user, the standard package does not include any custom templates that are blank and just ready for you to stick stuff in. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of cheat the system just a little bit and make it work for you. So we're going to create a newsletter template. We're going to create a flyer template, and we're going to go down here and we're going to click on the Marketing Flyers eEdge. What we're going to do is we're going to take one of these marketing flyers right here, and we're actually going to take everything off of it so that we can save it as a blank template. And then the next time you come in, you'll have a blank template there ready to use. So we're going to go ahead and click on let's click on this one. And this is one that will allow you to print a page or also send it via email. We're going to click on the Create and Edit tab, and it's going to load what you see is what you get editor here. So when this loads up, what we're going to start by doing is just deleting off each of the individual pieces that are on the page, just so that there's less clutter and it's easier to work with. Now, sometimes this will get kind of stuck as it loads, and if it does, just come up and hit the refresh button and you'll have it. All right, hopefully we'll be loaded here in 2 seconds. And it might have stuck, so I'm going to hit the refresh button just in case. Okay, now we have our piece up. So what we're going to do, each one of these elements right here, you can see off to the side, you can see which element is linked to which element. So what we're going to do is we're just going to start clicking on an element. We're going to go up here to the remove text box. Just remove the text box, remove the item, and we're just going to start taking everything off the page so that we have a nice clean item to be able to work with. Okay, so just going to keep deleting everything off. And then once we have everything deleted off, what we're going to do is we're going to go in and create a white box, a white background, basically, that we're going to overlay over the couple of items that you can't delete off. And then we're going to save that just so that we have a nice clean template to work with. Okay, we're almost there. These items right here, you can't delete these off. These are in the background. So I'm going to come on down to the bottom, and I'm going to go ahead and delete off this logo. The other Keller Williams logo is in the process of loading. Okay, so what we have now is we have a full page that we've taken everything off that we can. This unfortunately can't be taken off. We're going to go up here to the Add button. We're going to click Add. We're going to add a rectangle, and it's going to drop this rectangle in. So what we're going to do then is we're going to take this rectangle, go up to the top, and we're going to cover the entire page with the rectangle. We're just going to keep dragging it down, okay? And move the page down a little bit. Then we're going to come back here, right here to the corner. We're going to click it again, and we're going to keep dragging it down. Now, ultimately, what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to just scooch it right out to the edge so that you can see that we have that little line at the bottom exposed, but we have everything bled off. Okay, so once you have that adjusted, now we have this nice black box. We're going to change that box to white, and when we do, what we have now is basically a clean page to be able to work from, that there's nothing else on it. Okay, so when we have that set, and in fact there's just a little red left here, so we're just going to kind of eke this out here just a little bit. Just clean that up. There we go. Now we've got a nice clean white box. We're going to go down or go up to the Save button. We're going to say Save As. We're going to say this is blank template. And I'm going to save it as blank template too, because I already have a template saved as blank. We're going to hit the Save button. It's always going to ask you to preview your piece just to make sure that you didn't make any mistakes. Exit the editor, preview the piece. Yes, I've looked at my piece. And now what we have when this loads back up is just a blank piece, blank marketing template for us to be able to work with. And in the next video, I'll show you how we can go in and add a custom image to this and then be able to use this as a marketing template as a custom template for sending out to your 33 touch campaign.